Yeah, I would put the percentages a little above might get. It looks like rain will fall again in Excelsior Springs. It will be falling in the Kansas City metro and potentially a lot of it. Let's check it out. Your Bordner Home Improvement City Cam from our tower. You can see how thick the atmosphere is, just loaded up with humidity right now, just loaded. And that's all going to be turning into raindrops later on today. And outside at this hour, temperatures are starting to go up. Check out Paola, almost 90. South side of the metro, mid 80s. KCI right at 80 degrees. A little bit cooler off to the northeast. This is where the rain was falling through most of the morning hours. It's a little bit rain cooled there, but everybody will see these temperatures spiking in the afternoon hours. We're at 80 degrees now, up to about 86, maybe sneaking up to 87 at 4 o'clock. And then back down again to about 83 once those storms fire up. And notice the time, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We should see some of that happening. Your evening forecast has temperatures falling back into the mid 70s, but it's rain, 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 especially through the evening hours where some of that could be locally heavy. And your Saturday, it looks pretty stormy too. I don't think we'll see quite as much rain on Saturday, but still, whatever falls is going to go almost immediately to runoff. We've completely saturated most of our soils, and already some flooding has taken place. Thank goodness it's quiet, at least at the time being, but later today, that will change. Storms down to the southeast have also been fading, but storms are developing off to the west, and we will likely see developing storms almost right over the top of us during the afternoon hours. Here's your forecast track. Kind of keep your eyes right in here along this stretch of I-70. Where storms will just blossom up. And check it out. Yeah, Excelsior Springs, you're looking at showers and thunderstorms certainly by 5 and 6 this evening. More storms come in late this evening and tonight, and it does include the metro as well. Saturday, you can see we will have showers and storms move through, but it should be a slightly lesser event on Saturday. But again, all of that's going to be going into runoff, and there's plenty of it with the potential for 1 to 2 to some areas that could see 3 inches of rain coming just in the next 24 hours. Because of that, flood watches have been posted across a pretty good chunk of the area. Let's go to look at that Security Bank 7-day, 83 Saturday and again on Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday offers up 40% rain chances, yellow weather alerts because of the rain coming. So yeah, just because we see the rain taper off a bit on Sunday, doesn't mean we're out of the woods. We have more rain coming again next week. So unfortunately, it looks like we'll be using that flooding word for the next several days.